Hello everyone, welcome to another vintage Disney showing. Last time we had showed our Mickey phone that we had. You can actually still see it right up there. And if you want to watch that video, I will put it right here and you'll be able to watch that. Or it'll be at the end of the video so you can watch it at the end. But today we're going to be showing you is something that you don't use anymore at the park, just on your Magic Band. So we have today some vintage Walt Disney World park tickets. So let's come on over to the desk and we'll show you what we got. So here is a vintage Walt Disneyland actually park ticket. These are what they used to use to ride rides in the park. And I'd gotten these particular sets of tickets. This one was about, well, I'll just put it in the description. I don't want to tell you anything that's false, you know. So if you want to know the prices are in the description there. So if you wanted to ride any one of these rides here in Main Street, you had to use this ticket. So for each ride, this was one ticket for one ride on this ticket. Kind of screwy, huh? But that's just how they did things back then. So if you wanted to ride, you know, the fire engine, you had to use this ticket. And you couldn't ride anything else. We're just showing you what these look like. There you go. And you see it cost $7 back in the day. A $13.35 value. Sick! And as you see, I have basically two of the same ones. One is, the one on the bottom is obviously a little better condition. So there's that. Sweet, right? Now, oops, this one is actually a Walt Disney World one. And as you see, I have the A, B, D, and E. I want to find a 1971 ticket booklet that has not been used at all yet, meaning that the tickets are all attached and they all have the same serial number. So, again, the same thing. If you want to go to Adventureland and ride Pirates of the Caribbean, you rip off this ticket, and then you go ride Pirates of the Caribbean, but you can't ride anything else. And of course, you'll notice some rides, like Mission to Mars, Star Jets, are no longer with us. So you cannot ride those rides anymore, obviously. Look at that Main Street one. So yeah. And this was a... Zoop. Hang on a sec. Lost control of it there. $8.50 and it was $11.55 value. So you're saving a couple bucks there. So those are all very cool. It's just very cool to see what you used to use back in the day, you know. It's not, like I said, it's not all in your Magic Band anymore. Check out the limited edition Big Thunder Mountain one. So yeah, we're going to flip the camera around now and finish off the video. So, I hope you all enjoyed this video of seeing these old vintage Disneyland and Walt Disney World park tickets. I'll show you those one last time. And again, the prices of these that I got for on eBay will be in the description box below, so you can know if you got a good deal on yours, or if you can get a good deal, and whether or not I got a good deal or I screwed up big time. So, thank you all for watching. Hit the subscribe button so you can see more videos in the future of other things I have around here. And we will see you next time. Have a magical day.